Hello everyone, welcome to IMC. In last video, I have discussed the solution of question number 1. Now I am going to solve question number 2 and I will also try question number 3 because time is very small in my. So I am going to question number 2 for solution, which is helpful for exam, and rest questions, question number 4, 5, 6, this question you will be try yourself. If problem arise, then I will solve in my next video these questions. So students, bhul na mat, please watching my channel, keep watching my channel. Next videos for solution of these questions and all other questions will be coming soon. So please keep watching this channel. Okay. So next, let question number 2. And question number 2 is limit 1 plus 5x square 1 plus 3x square whole to the power 1 by x square. Okay, x tends to 0 and its options are A is e square, option B e cube, option C e to the power 5 and option D H. Which is the correct option? In last video I have discussed the rule 1 power infinity, which is this fx whole to the power gx, x tends to at the point n. This will be the value is e power limit x tends to a fx minus 1 multiplied by gx. This is the proof of this limit we have discussed in my last video. So if you for seen proof, please go my channel and this video where this is happened, having the link in my description. Okay, check the description. Now for this limit is e power limit x tends to 0 fx minus 1. Here fx is this and gx is this, and here is 1 power infinity. Why 1 power infinity? Now if you put x tends to 0, x 0, then limit of this is 1. Okay, if x tends to 0, then limit of this base function is 1 and this is infinity. So this is the 1 power infinity form. So this will be 1 plus 5x square 1 plus 3x square minus 1, and this is 1 by x square, and this is e power limit x tends to 0 1 plus 5x square minus 1 minus 3x square by 1 plus 3x square into 1 by x square, and this is e power limit x tends to 0, and this is 2x square 1 is cancelled, and 5x square minus 3x square is 2x square by 1 plus 3x square, and this is 1 by x square is cancelled, and this is the limit of this function is 2 upon 1 plus 0, and this is e power half, that is e root. The correct option is e power 2. This is e power 2. Okay, so e square is the correct option. So option A is the correct option. Okay, option A is correct option. So option A is the correct option. तो स्टूडेंट्स मैं एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. इफ़ यू नॉट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल इंस्पायर मैथमेटिक्स क्लासेस, I request you must subscribe the channel and keep watching the other videos such that for next coming update videos you will see. And if you like the trick, press like button, and if any thought in your mind about trick, then please mention in comment. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3, it is also important. Question number 3, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x minus c upon x, and its options are 0, option B e, option C is e by 2, and option D is minus e by 2. Okay, this is the options. So obviously seen this is the 0 by 0 form. Why? Now because limit of this minus limit of e is e and limit of x is 0, x tends to 0, so its limit 1 plus x whole power 1 by x, its limit is e, so e minus e upon 0, that is 0 by 0 form. So using LH rule. LH rule means L'Hopital rule. Okay, and this is derivative of the numerator and derivative of the denominator. So derivative of 1 plus x whole power 1 by x, and derivative of e is 0 and derivative of x is 1. This is the LH rule. Derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. Its e derivative 0, x derivative 1, derivative of 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. Now we are going to find derivative of 1 power x whole power x is ddx e power logarithm of 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x upon 1, and limit x tends to 0 and derivative of 1 by x e power log 1 by x. Okay, and so this is an limit x tends to 0, derivative of this is as it is log of 1 plus x upon x, and derivative of 1 by x log of 1 plus x, and this is limit x tends to 0, and this is 1 plus x whole power 1 by x as it is, and this is log of 1 plus x square, and this is 1 upon x and 1 plus x plus 1. Chain rule, this is the chain rule, product rule, UV. Okay, and this is limit x tends to 0, and limit of this function is e. Okay, so this is e, and this is 1 upon x common x plus 1 minus log of x plus 1 upon x square, and e limit of x tends to 0, and LCM of this is x square common x plus 1. Okay, x common x square plus 1, and this will be x minus x plus 1 log of 1 plus x. Okay, and this is e into limit of x tends to 0 x square, and this is the x put here 0 plus 1. You cannot here put 0 because in denominator 0 which is defined, but you can put 0 here. 0 plus 1 is 1, so x minus x plus 1, if you multiply this, and this will be such that, and this will be x minus x when multiplied putting x plus 1, and its expression log of 1 plus x is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus dot dot like this. Okay, and this is e limit x tends to 0 x square, and this is x minus, when multiply x here, then this is x minus x square by 3 plus x to the power 4 by 3 minus dot dot, and this is when multiply 1, this is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 and minus dot dot, and after simplification this is limit x tends to 0, x square x minus, this is x minus x is cancel, okay, and this is x is x square, this is x square, and this is will be x cube by 3, x cube by x square by 2, this is x square by 2. When x is multiplied this, then this is x square x cube by 2 and x to the power 4 by 3, and when 1 is multiplied here, then x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 in this way. So here x plus x and x square, and here minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2, okay, and x cube plus x cube by 3, and this is minus x cube by 6 and plus this is in this way. And so after this e limit x tends to 0, and this is x minus x square by 2 minus plus x cube by 6, and this is this way, okay, and this under x square, and x is cancel, so and this, so this is equal e to limit x tends to 0, and the rest is minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 6 and minus in this way upon x square, and after division of x square, then this is limit x tends to 0, and this will be minus half plus x by 6 minus this, and so minus half. So here all the terms is containing x, so after putting the value of x 0 here, and this is minus half, so this answer is minus e by 2. So this is the option, correct option. So correct option is option D. Correct option is option D is the correct option, minus e by 2, okay, minus e, option D is the correct option. So students, solve question number 4 yourself, try to solve yourself, try to solve yourself. Question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, okay, question number 4, these 4 options, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7. This type of more important questions having and coming. Next video and solution of these all questions. Already I have work at your home as yourself. You will be try. If problem arise, the solution I will be give you in the next video. So keep watching my video and भूलना मत प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक, क्योंकि आप लाइक नहीं करोगे, अगर लाइक नहीं होगा तो सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे तो हम सॉल्व कैसे आपको दूंगा, इसीलिए लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड कीप watching this video and share to all your friends. Have a good day. Okay.